This was completely unexpected by everyone. A major vulnerability in Shiba Inu has been exposed by its developers. The storyline was completely changed by this. Now analysts are stepping in. There was talk of a covert signal from a Shiba Inu. Next week, will the Shiba Inu finally reach 1 cent? Is this all there is to it? Allow me to elaborate. Your daily dose of Shiba wealthy coins is here. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button to get more Shiba news. Today was the day everyone had been waiting for. Finally, Shiba Inu are regaining their independence and climbing to new heights. Finally, after what feels like an age, the price is skyrocketing, having recently surged far over 2%. This is massive in today's market, albeit it won't compare to the crazy gains of 2021. Everyone is out and about, and it really does feel like a breath of fresh air. This is when things get crazy. Zooming out and looking back 1 week, you can see that Shiba Inu has soared even higher, reversing its recent dips and entering a solid green zone. Here we are at the point. An analyst determined what had really happened by consulting the Shiba Inu charts. According to him, the price increased by more than 2%, which pushed the market value over $8 billion. Once, Shiba Inu prices reached a level not seen since the end of February, but then some traders started to soften their withdrawals, taking advantage of the opportunity. Trading volume for one of the day's most talked about cryptocurrencies also doubled, sending prices soaring. Major investors also got in on the action, driving a nearly 70% increase in noteworthy transactions. There was a covert increase in holdings by long-term holders, suggesting that accumulation is well underway. The spot market is also quite significant. Expectations for future contracts surged by 1/3, hitting levels not witnessed in over 1 month. Shiba Inus are clearly going through a major transition. I want to bring up something important that has been happening recently. Have you heard that the Shiba Inu team issued some important news today? Moreover, it may give us a solid indication of the future course of the Shiba Inu pricing. I am captivated by every detail, and the hype surrounding this is crazy. Stay tuned though, because I'll break it all out later on in the video. Visual. But first, I want to show you what's really causing this spike. When it comes to distributed finance, Shiba Inu is taking a fresh approach. Ideas for Shiba Finance, a powerful new DeFi platform that can alter the crypto industry totally, were recently presented by the developers. There is no more enhancement here. This is a tremendous improvement, giving holders more reason to be excited, and giving Shiba Inu real value. The market has already felt the effects of the news's waves. Investors' tremendous confidence in Shiba Inu coin's future success is evident from their astounding profitability. The cost is already going up, so many are starting to wonder. Is this the catalyst that finally propels Shiba Inu into its next major breakthrough? Then what makes Shiba Finance special? Its goal is to revolutionize the financial sector by providing cutting-edge blockchain solutions and unprecedented access to powerful distributed technologies. With this daring move, Shiba Inu might become more than simply another meme token, a big player in the DeFi ecosystem. There is a lot of anticipation building, even if the official release date is still TBD. How the Shiba Inu ecosystem is evolving is something no one saw coming. Everyone might be reaching a turning point right now. You can simply happen to be at the perfect place at the perfect time if you're carrying. Also, this is really crazy. Flying isn't just for Shiba Inus. At the moment, one of its most crucial ecosystem tokens, BOON, is going through a period of exponential price growth. As the cryptocurrency market heats up and meme currencies make a major comeback, Shiba Inus and all things related to them are riding this wave to the fullest. The entire meme currency industry has, without a doubt, skyrocketed to a huge value again, as BOON is showing. While Shiba Inus made big leaps in a single day, BOON reached new heights, a sign of the enormous momentum that was about to happen. A lot of this excitement started when Lucy, an important member of the Shiba Inu team, gave BOON some positive feedback. She made the analogy between the early days of popular cryptocurrency and how BOON has been underpriced for an extremely long time. Like Shiba Inu before it, it has been through a long period of restructuring, but now it is showing signs of a major return to its legendary run. This is the secret ingredient of the Shiba Inu's powerful ecology. It's not just about a single token, it's about an entire ecosystem of assets, services and innovations working together. Coins from the Shiba Inu ecosystem are rising in tandem with it, heralding the beginning of something far bigger than anyone had anticipated. This is when the madness begins. Lucy asserts that Shiba Inus might actually be heading for a far higher price sooner than everyone anticipated. Shiba Inu has been outperforming most popular cryptocurrencies as of late, expanding at a steady rate. Things are starting to get interesting now though. Lucy, the Shiba Inu environment's lead advertisement, lately supported an extreme estimate. Anyone willing to put money on Shiba Inus could see their value skyrocket to levels never seen before. The price of Shiba Inu, according to renowned market analyst Cryptolite's prediction, is exhibiting classic cup and handle patterns, which frequently lead to substantial breakouts. If this pans out, Shiba Inu could experience a spike like never before. This isn't just one person saying this, either. Alternately, other specialists have proposed comparable sums. Some people are so stubborn that they want to pay a price that would put the Shiba Inu breed on the verge of its all-time high. Recall that in the past, movie experts would say that a Shiba Inu could be worth as much as $1. A lot of people back then just shrugged it off. The way things are going though, it's not completely out of the question anymore. Its uptake is on the rise. As its habitat expands, the Shiba Inu has proven capable of overcoming whatever challenge it has faced. Also, the Shiba Inu squad and Shytoshi Kusama must not be forgotten. They have been quietly but surely involved in some of the most momentous events that have taken place thus far. Contributions like Shiba Finance and the continuous improvement of Shibarium allow for the construction of something monumental. Is it possible that they know more than we do? Do they already have a strategy in place to make these price predictions a reality? I can tell you one thing for sure. The Shiba Inu puppy is in its early stages. Who knows, what's coming might be even greater than everyone anticipated. And this is the most ridiculous part, someone just discovered a secret signal in Shiba Inu charts. If it happens, it might mean a major uptrend is on the horizon. Renowned crypto researcher Satori has stated that Shiba Inu is forming an infernet head and shoulders pattern, a famous formation that typically signifies the end of a fall and the beginning of a significant breakout on the crypto market. Therefore, Shiba Inu is doing much more than just pounding around aimlessly. If the price finally breaks through the significant resistance level it has been testing, it can go into a stunning leap to new highs. You may see potential future directions in the charts. The Shiba Inu is expected to command more attention than it has in a long time, according to experts, who predict a substantial increase in price. But this is what's so interesting. This concealed signal is still mostly unnoticed by the majority of people. Despite the fact that Shiba Inu is currently trending, this hidden signal indicates that the real movement has not started yet. A dramatic shift in the token's momentum might result from this. On top of that, Shiba Inu are swiftly gaining a lot of fans. Extreme whale activity, a burgeoning population, and ecological expansions all seem to be happening at the exact same time. Is this the last practice run before the Shiba Inu takes flight in a way no one saw coming? If we look at past performance as an indicator, we can see that Shiba Inu never fails to shock the market. When looking at the big picture, Shiba